Hello, everyone. Today, let's dive deep into a topic that has undoubtedly left a mark on all of our lives: how COVID-19 changed the world forever. Let's start by rewinding to late 2019. A mysterious virus emerges in a bustling city in China, and within months, it engulfs the globe. We knew little then, but now we recognize that moment as the beginning of a significant shift in the modern era. The pandemic transformed how we work. Overnight, remote work went from a perk to a necessity. Offices closed, and living room became workspaces. This shift wasn't just a temporary adjustment, it spurred a technological leap. Video conferencing became the norm, and industries that resisted digital transformation had to adapt quickly or risk becoming obsolete. Education faced a similar upheaval. Schools and universities moved online, exposing the digital divide like never before. While some adapted, others were left behind. This wasn't just a logistical challenge, but a profound change in pedagogy. Today, hybrid models of education are becoming more common, blending traditional and digital learning. Then there's the impact on healthcare. COVID-19 pushed the medical world to its limits, but it also accelerated innovation. Telemedicine, once a niche sector, became a frontline service. The rapid development and deployment of vaccines showed the incredible capabilities of modern science when urgency meets necessity. And let's not overlook the social changes. The pandemic altered how we socialize, celebrate, and mourn. Lockdowns and restrictions made us rethink community and connectivity. Sadly, it also magnified inequalities and mental health issues, challenges we're still grappling with. In conclusion, while the pandemic was a crisis of unimaginable scales, it was also a catalyst for change. We've seen resilience, innovation, and a reevaluation of what matters most in our lives. The world post-COVID-19 is different, in some ways harder, in others better. It's a changed world, but together we're learning to navigate it. Thank you for joining me today. Let's continue to adapt, learn, and grow in this ever-evolving world.